guys, for those of you who didn't... Oh, sorry. Excuse my entrance. Hey guys, it's Harvest. For those of you who didn't know, we have in UK guns and police and rim shots and air raids and trains and grenades, and so every once in a while you may hear an air raid or something, which is basically when I have to try and move. Well, candy. It's really good, caramel. But the air raid is when I have to, with my brother and the whole family, babies and everything, have to run to our community clubhouse, or drive down there, and huddle in the community clubhouse until the air raid is over, usually meaning there's something wrong. It can mean anything to be honest. Okay, well there's an air raid, guys. An air raid just happened. I have to go. Bye.